Priyanka. Welcome to Catch Up Talks.
Hi Priyanka, nice to talk to you.
Nice to talk to you too. How are you doing?
I'm doing great, thank you. आप बताओ, how's everything with you?
चल रहा है ठीक ही है.
What is your take on this night curfew?
Oh, I think I wish it didn't exist, but it has to because people are acting really dumb. So
वो तो है ही है, but मुझे लगता है कि night curfew है या नहीं है, people are still going to act stupid.
that is also मतलब house parties तो होने वाली है.
हाँ,
वो तो कोई नहीं कुछ करने वाला.
night curfew आप रखो या नहीं रखो, लोग पागलों की तरह बर्ताव करेंगे ही करेंगे.
I think people have trained for this in their teenage years. So now they're going to make use of it. So tell me, मतलब अभी तो जो चल रहा है चल ही रहा है, but how has the year been for you, Nikhil?
To begin with, I would say it's a very unpredictable year, but it has its ups and downs. But it's the way you comprehend and accept the year as. Like for me, जब lockdown था, initially also I was like, क्या हो गया है? Like I can never imagine Bombay getting into lockdown, and now we are also into lockdown, and roads are empty, and I've never seen Bombay like this, and da da. But I kind of tried making the best I could out of lockdown. So I started cooking. So I really like cooking now. The person who never used to enter a kitchen now like cooks. And I used to watch a lot of shows, read a lot of scripts, understand characters well. So lockdown's been, and this year has been pretty good. By the grace of God, I was shooting during lockdown as well in Calcutta for Black Widows.
Correct. So how was that? How was shooting with all these precautions and safety measures? Were you worried or, did the production team take care of that?
I wasn't. I was a little edgy about it, not worried, a little edgy about it. But फिर मुझे लगा कि सब जो सेट पर है, सब लोग टेस्ट होकर आए हैं, सब लोग अपने बेसिक प्रिकॉशनरी मेजर्स ले रहे हैं. Like they all are wearing the mask as and when. सब sanitizers use कर ही रहे हैं. तो I was just like, I mean, भगवान की दया से सब ठीक ही होगा. So yeah, it was a little stressful, but I guess it was good. Everyone was taking their measures और सब ध्यान रख रहे थे अपना, तो अच्छा था. It was good.
And Black Widows के लिए, what kind of responses are you getting? How's that been for you? The whole shooting and then getting the feedback from audiences.
My journey has been great for Black Widows because I never thought I would play a character, be able to play a character like Jahan.
Mm-hmm.
And people are really appreciating me a lot for Jahan.
And what is the one, like you said, you couldn't imagine playing a character like Jahan. So what is the one big difference you'd say between you two?
The difference between Jahan and my other characters. See, I've played two different characters before, which has been in Who's Your Daddy and it's been in Punch Beat.
Punch Beat, yes.
Jahan इतना अलग क्यों था? क्योंकि it was a very dark character. Jahan is this character which actually has a very dark side to it, but it's also full of joy and fun and stuff like that. And he is such a persistent character कि उसको जो चाहिए वो कुछ भी करेगा. अगर वो ethical है नहीं, फिर भी वो करेगा वो हासिल करने के लिए.
Okay. Intense.
It's quite an intense character. It's like he is savage and like next level crazy.
And are your fans, are they appreciating this? What has their reaction been like?
So my fans firstly are like shocked to see like, oh my God, I'm playing a character like that. So they go like, आप इस तरह का किरदार निभा रहे हो and stuff like that. And I'm just like, I hope आपको पसंद आ रहा है. But jokes apart, they've really been loving it and supporting me. And I've been getting some crazy and positive reviews about the show, about the direction, and about my performance. So I'm very happy.
That's great. And I was reading up about you, obviously, and I came across these body transformation posts of yours. That happened during the lockdown, right?
Right.
That's another great thing.
Yes.
So how was that? Was that for a character specifically?
So the thing is कि मैंने जो किरदार पहले निभाए हैं, they are such young characters that I had to look young. But Jahan is a 22, 23-year-old boy who's like well built and has a stubble and looks like a 23-year-old. पर इस बॉडी टाइप के साथ मैंने बोला था 23 तो नहीं दिख पाऊंगा. प्लस मैंने इतने रोल्स ऐसे प्ले कर लिए हैं, let me really go through a transformation and show a different side of me. So that's when I was like, ठीक है करते हैं. I mean, let's shock the world and my fans especially and give them a new avatar of Nikhil. So yeah, it was really a lot of hard work.
I'm sure.
Yeah. But it was good.
I'm glad like lockdown gave you the time to at least focus on that also. Because बाहर I think रहते हैं तो it becomes even more difficult, no? Like to control what you're eating and stuff.
And for me, I'm a big time foodie, so मेरे लिए control करना was like.
But like, the results are fabulous.
Also, like Swastika, Mona and all, if they're having like samosas or like a gulab jamun, they'll be like, खाएगा? And I'm just like, हाँ, उड़ा लो मेरी, ले लो. Take my case, it's fine.
That's interesting. So besides like transforming your body, what is the one thing that you would say the lockdown has, I don't know, was a gift from the lockdown to you? One addition to your life or something?
I've always been a people's person. And I've always been this person कि जब मैं लोगों के आसपास होता हूँ मैं बहुत खुश रहता हूँ and I'm like this socialite and da-di-da and stuff. But I understood myself, read about myself, analyzed myself a lot during lockdown because most of the times you were spending with yourself. It was more about I, me, myself. And there were a lot of realizations, a lot of things I have worked on and I'm still working on myself. So yes, that's what lockdown got me to.
That's really nice. And you're now working on Punchbeat 2, correct? How is that going?
It's going great. In fact, we have a superb director on board, Akshay Chaubey, not the same director as season 1. A new director on board, but he is brilliant. And the layers he's given every character this time. एक राहत है, एक रणबीर है, एक पद्मिनी है. There are 3 more new characters added, 3 more new admissions. And it's great. I mean, I love how he sees each character as different layers and characteristics and how one character is different from another character. So, बहुत अच्छा चल रहा है. Yeah, it's doing great.
I'm glad to hear that. You started shooting now, but like you mentioned before, you were reading scripts and stuff during the lockdown. Did you even audition? Like, काफी लोगों को मैंने सुना है they auditioned on Zoom and stuff. So did something like that?
Yeah, I gave a lot of auditions as well, of course, during the lockdown. But I did not give any Zoom auditions. I told them I'd rather shoot it and send it to you because I just feel that in a audition, it is very important to feel the character and to understand what the actor is feeling. Through Zoom, अगर थोड़ा lag होता है या clarity चले जाता है, internet चले जाता है, blur हो जाता है, you'll miss out.
Correct. Besides Punchbeat, are you working on anything else right now? Are you, something that you're looking forward to?
So besides Punchbeat 2, there's something crazy coming up. But I'm going to just hold back a bit. And soon, I will announce it.
Okay.
But yes, there is something really exciting coming.
We're looking forward to that. And I'm sure your fans are too. Nikhil, you've been part of so many web shows, correct? And in the last few years, the OTT platforms have really evolved and how?
Right.
And
they've really shot up and they've really evolved and transformed and a lot more awareness has been created, right?
So how do you think that evolution has helped new actors, new age actors, get the opportunities that wasn't possible before?
What used to happen before is that for a particular role, you used to call those certain amount of people and we had only films or ads and stuff like that. But now because of you have cinemas, you have ads, you have ad films, you have OTT platform short films, and you have OTT platform web series.
Correct.
So many opportunities and so many more various ways of getting work and reaching out to projects, and a lot of casting directors and people reaching out to actors. It makes actors like us, who are great performers but don't have avenues of reaching out,
True.
makes our life, I would say, a lot more easy to at least give an audition. If not get the role, at least have the chance of giving an audition and people seeing an audition of ours.
That's true. Along with the OTT platforms, social media also, I think, has played a big role in a lot of creators that have come up in the last few years. That has also given people a new platform.
Right.
Do you have any favorite creators?
I mean, I don't have a favorite. I do keep reviewing a lot of creators
Mhm.
and public figures and a lot of kind of people on social media and stuff like that.
Okay.
But yeah, they all are just like people I would scan through and like see their pages for what kind of stuff is happening nowadays just to be updated. But I
Right.
don't really have a favorite.
Okay. So for the next round, I have like some quick questions. So this is going to be about all your firsts. Okay. Cool. So when was the first time you realized you were famous?
When someone came and asked me that, are you Nikhil Bhamri? Can I have an autograph? I was like, sure. That's when I thought that, okay, fine. I think I'm famous now.
Okay. Your first audition was for?
My first audition for was a condom brand.
Did you get it?
I was underage. I
Oh my
couldn't.
God. Okay. What did you do with the first payment that you got for your work?
I bought my grandmom and my mom something.
That's so sweet. Okay. What's the first place you want to visit in 2021 once it's safe?
Oh, I want to go to my Masi in London.
Oh,
Back to
London would be great.
Yeah, right now it's terrible. So
Yeah,
it's terrible. There's some
it
fourth
is.
string of the virus come there, and it's really terrible.
And especially London and Christmas are like, it's so beautiful there this
Tell me
timing
about it. Oh
now.
my God, now you're making me very jealous. Okay.
Okay. Okay. The first app you check when you wake up in the morning.
First app that I check,
Hmm.
Instagram.
Okay. Your first celebrity crush.
Bebo.
Oh, everyone's, I feel.
Everyone, I love her. I really love her.
The first person you spoke to today.
My manager. I think she's the first person I talk to every day.
Every day. Okay. Your first cell phone ever. Which one was it?
Oh, it was the Nokia flap phone in 2000 and what year did I go to boarding school? 2009.
Wow. Mine was that Moto Razor.
Motorola, yeah.
Yeah. The flip phones were the thing.
Gold and like black and all these
Yeah.
colors. Yeah.
Okay. And when was your first heartbreak? It's a little sad.
2017.
Oh, that's gonna Google a little bit. Okay, I think that's done with the first. Then I have another one for Never Have I Ever. I promise this is the last one. I won't take up a lot of your time.
Take as much time as you want. I love you.
Okay.
Okay,
Never.
let's do this.
Okay.
Say the question you ask, I'll answer and so will you.
Oh wow. Okay.
Okay.
Let's do it. Yes.
Okay.
I'm gonna have to select now.
Oh my God, that's cheating.
Okay, I promise. I would.
Okay.
So never have I ever used the 5-second rule for food that fell.
I
I have. Okay. Never have I ever Googled my own name to see what comes up.
I have.
You have a reason to na, meko janta ko.
I don't have a reason to nothing comes up. I'm just like, huh?
Kuch bhi. Okay.
Serious.
Never have I ever been caught cheating on a test. I have. Never have I ever danced in an elevator. Every time I can't help myself.
If I'm alone, I go all out.
Especially if there's a mirror.
Especially if there's a mirror. Exactly. I was just going to say that. Especially if there's a mirror.
Oh my God. Okay. Never have I ever had a bad allergic reaction.
No.
No, not
Allergic reaction. No, touch wood. I'm not allergic to any kind of food. I eat anything.
to that. Okay. Never have I ever stayed up all night. Every night.
I mean, yeah.
Who hasn't?
I
Okay.
sleep during the day. I just woke up, in fact.
Wow. Okay. Never have I ever tried to cut my own hair.
Lockdown.
Failed miserably. Long back. Failed and how?
I didn't come on Instagram for like almost 2 weeks because my hair grows in 15 days. So I was very happy. I'm like, 15
Oh my
days.
God.
I failed very badly.
I didn't try this time. I chopped it all off, but I went to like a salon. Okay. Never have I ever completely forgotten my lines. Matlab, compared to you, it's not, but I have. Like when we
Yeah, I have. When you can
videos.
give it, when you take interviews, yeah, you can also.
Yeah.
And it's human nature, yeah. Come on.
Sometimes I feel like I'm so excited to say it that I fumble. I'm
Yeah,
like, I forget
it's
it.
like you want to say so much together that you don't turn out saying anything.
Anything at all.
Yeah, same.
Okay. Never have I ever pressed send and then immediately regretted it.
Exes.
Everyone. Okay. Never have I ever cried in a movie theater. I have.
My first movie I ever cried on was Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum.
If you don't cry usme na, when Jaya Bachchan cries,
I
what are you even
swear.
doing?
That's true.
Never have I ever cleaned up by piling everything into a closet.
I'm very OCD.
Oh my God. I had to pick out something to wear right now.
My living room. I'm very OCD.
Yeah, it's so, I can't even dare to show you mine. Never have I ever played Ludo during the lockdown.
I mean, that was the only thing left to do.
I have like 4 lakh balance, so I'm pretty proud. Okay, that's about it.
Superb.
But before I let you go, tell me, what are you the most excited about for 2021?
Okay, so I'll tell you 2 things actually before going.
Okay.
First, I'll answer your question. The most exciting thing about 2021 is going to be a new year, a fresh beginning, but the same lifestyle and the same life, because I love my life and I think everyone should do whatever they love the most and what makes them happy, because that's what matters at the end of the day.
True.
And 2021 may bring me a lot more surprises, a lot more unpredictabilities in life, but let's just take it on and be ready for it. And be
I agree. 100%.
Also, another thing to tell all the viewers and all my fans that I love you guys so much. Thank you for showering me with all the love, and I promise you all, मैं आपको निराश नहीं करूँगा. I will come up with the most crazy characters and keep you all entertained for life. Love you guys. And thank you so much, Priyanka. It was
Thank you so much, Nikhil, for taking out the time to do this.
Yes, it was great.